Welcome. In this video, we will cover how to efficiently use SimCenter AimSim by learning how to access and utilize the AimSim help demos, as well as get familiar with the library tree search function. Let's say that we have a simple mechanical quarter car suspension model, which looks like this. Now, let's say you are tasked to explore alternative suspension models in order to investigate how to improve vehicle performance. If you are unsure where to begin, within our help menu you can find many demo models which can help guide you. To access these demos, start by clicking on the Help menu and then click Help. You can also access this Help menu by clicking on the circled question mark at the top right corner of your AimSim window. Now that we have accessed the Help window, I will quickly give an overview of some of its features. First are the contextual menus along the top left. Just below are the page navigation buttons. Just below that is the Table of Contents window tab. Here there is also an Index tab and a Bookmark tab. The window on the right side shows the SimCenter AimSim help content, as well as a tab for searching the help content, along with advanced search features. For our purposes today, we will utilize the Contents tab. From here, the solution demos can be accessed. Within the Contents tab, you will find several help categories. SimCenter AimSim Help, where you can find general product help documents. Demos, where you can find helpful AimSim learning demos. Platform documentation, where you can find documentation related to interfacing AimSim with other software platforms. Library documentation, which gives details on each library and associated components and submodels. Technical bulletins, and release notes. After clicking and expanding the Demos link in the Contents tree, 3 categories of demos appear. Within Platform, we will find demos related to interfacing AimSim with other software and applications. Within Libraries, we will find demos related to the use of specific component libraries. And within Solutions, we will find demos related to real-world engineering applications. This is where it will be most likely to find examples of alternative vehicle suspension models. Let's explore the Solutions category by clicking on the Automotive Demos link, and then select Chassis to look for suspension models. Here we can browse the content by either simply scrolling, searching the content using the search icon, or clicking on topics along the top, which will automatically scroll to the content selected. The solutions content can also be displayed in an application-oriented view, which will help us quickly find the best demos for our specific purpose of investigating alternative suspension designs. In this condensed table, the available solution demos are listed by topic, along with a table which indicates the design and actuation types. Since we are interested in modeling alternative suspension types, I'll click on the Suspensions tab and look at which demos have alternative actuation types. The demo for 3 different ways to model a car damper looks promising since it covers both hydraulic and pneumatic dampers, whereas our current model is only a simple mechanical model. Let's open this demo and check it out. Here we can see that our simple mechanical damper model can be easily replaced with a pneumatic or hydraulic version. As you go through the demo, there are examples of how each version of the suspension will respond due to an identical step perturbation. To investigate the design variations in this demo, we must first download the associated demo AimSim model. A link to the AimSim project download is listed near the top. After downloading and opening the model, you can automatically detect any missing libraries needed for a given model by clicking on Tools, then Model Update Assistant, and if there are any paths missing, simply click Add and the missing libraries will be automatically added. Once opened, the suspension models can be explored and edited in order to compare each suspension system responses. Now that we have some working examples of alternative suspension designs, we can implement alternative designs into our model. To efficiently make changes to your base mechanical model by replacing components, it is good to be familiar with the library tree search functionality. To find a submodel that you require, you can simply start typing a name in the search field. The search function is dynamic. As you enter a search string, the results are filtered accordingly. For example, to locate all the mass submodels, you would start to enter the search string MAS in the search field. As you type, the matching results are displayed in the library tree and the corresponding containing folders are expanded on the right-hand side. You can also search for a submodel by its component icon name. For example, in the following screenshot, we want to locate the same submodel using its name, so entering the search string mass_friction gives the required result. You can also search by submodel name. For example, for mass_friction_end stops, the following submodels can be searched for directly. Before we end this lesson, here are a couple of final tips on how to effectively use the library search tree feature. Wildcards within your search tree can help when you don't have the exact name of the component or submodel you are looking for. A question mark can replace any single character in your search string. For example, placing a double question mark in your search string means that the search will use the wildcard for 2 characters in the search string. An asterisk replaces 0, 1, or more of any characters in your search string. Sets of characters can be represented in square brackets. Finally, the More button gives you access to the following options. Selecting Match Case will make the search string case sensitive, or selecting Use Regular Expressions will enable the use of regular expressions during the search.